of you done? Yes. You have done. Okay. Yeah, operating by here. So then I remember marking certain yesterday. Burj Khalifa with a booking channel. No problem. How many questions? 2 questions. 4. And the 2. Why didn't you do? What am I going to say? If they are it, what are you coming out? Look. In saying this, both of you go quickly. Come back and explain. I'll be giving. Look, I don't remember how many questions, but I've given 4. 2 we have done, 2 they have given. Okay. What was the last thing that I covered? Selection there. PHP. Now we have to start with topics on substance. One quick. Often I'll tell them to give a special thing. Don't. देखता है कौन पायलट जाता है तो नहीं जाता है personally push them. No, that's not inside that. I'm keeping the door open. Both of you have to get out quickly. If not, I'm going to push you. Jaldi. Door pushing का है लेकिन कितना टाइम लगता है ना? 5 minutes जाएगा. The heading today's day. जितना जल्दी अभी निकलना नहीं उतना जल्दी रिटर्न आना. Close the door. Oh. Careful. And did I explain this first to you? Well, you just gave like. तो इतना generalized answer क्यों नहीं देता है? Specific रहना. Yeah, how is your sister studying? Is okay, good? Yes. नाम बोलिए तो. नाम क्या है? Isha. नाम से टाको बच्चा ना. Once she told me that he is my brother, sir. रीना तेरी बहन बोला ना नीचे के लिए कर. हाँ ठीक है brother. I don't remember. Keep a track of me, huh? Then. कल कौन सा कपड़ा पहना था? Yesterday you were in blue shirt and that formal trouser. Yeah. Good, huh? And even before that you wore something like that cut fit shirt and that cut fit. Oh, cut fit. That red and blue. Achha. Only with me or you keep an eye on every teacher? Few things is like that is your habit of keeping a good one. I भूल जाता. Except studies, you ask me anything, I'm a good. That should be. That right from my school days, I was like this. Come. Homework किया? You come here and stick over the mark. You have done the homework. 2 outstanding students will be joining you. You want to join? पहले बार तो homework किया कि पहले वो निकल. Where are they sent to Randu? Hey, listen. This forest, we will have a very small, tiny, short video. Okay, and then I'll take it from there because this is what you have to see. What is this tropical plant for this time? Pick up homework. I'm going to check. There were 4 questions out of it.
The top forest and
2 we have done here, and the rest 2 you have to do. Correct. Outside. I never stopped you. पीछे गया रहेगा, ऊपर गया रहेगा, या नीचे गया रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं बोलूँ ना, इधर ही बाजू में बैठे जाओ, जल्दी जाओ. Put today's date, write the heading. Meantime, I'll check these 2 homework. ये completion है. Huh? What is the answer 5 all about? Discuss the feature of mangrove. They prevent flood.
Yeah, you told right when you were giving this.
Oh my dear boy, mangrove forest का features क्या होता है? Tiny leaves. The roots are outside the water. Stilted roots. अच्छा ठीक है. The rest 2 you have done. वो अभी जैसे मैं आने से पहले कुछ खींच के लाया बस. Present in the area adding. You write this question number 1 again. Very large. Are having a country.
Why?
No, 1 and 2 are absolutely not correct. जा जल्दी जाओ और जल्दी आए. मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट में जाओ, उसका फीचर्स अलग से दिया है. ये क्या एक लाइन लिख के रहा है?
No, actually, it's not.
That is the function. I know that. But अगर लिख रहा है तो पूरा लिख जा. 1 and 2 erase कर और लिख रहा है. ठीक है बहुत, बट तूने लिखा है. मैंने लिखा है tiny leaves, stilted roots. वो सब explain किया ना. जा. Let a boy be there between the girls. Boy, you have done the homework. What is homework? Ask me. What is it? Good. उधर है ना, उधर हमारे रेफरेंस क्लब है ना, जा बुक लेके वॉल्यूम लेके. You show your homework. तू भी जा, उनको भी थोड़ा हैप्पी लगेगा. सर हमको अलग क्या बोलूं ना.
sir actually for the first.
No problem. Do it in the notebook, na. Where is it? Volume was lost. Yesterday, what did you bring in?
Yesterday.
So no problem. Absent बच्चा को भी मैंने बात निकाला.
Tell me, I'm away for it.
1 and 2 you have to write again. And the speeches है ना, you go to mangrove. Speeches are given. नहीं किया तो. You do 1 and 2 and come back. Mangroves का छोड़ दे, वो मैं दूँगा.
Why? It's wrong.
It's not wrong. A large area के जगह पर तो ये large R लिखा है. ये लिखने के लिए भी तुझे टाइम नहीं है.
Oh.
And then how will I accept that as a homework? वाह मत बोल, फिर आओ पकड़ के फिर मारेंगे पकड़ के. Oh wow, what a mistake. 2 line you are writing that also like this. How will I accept it? जा जल्दी जा. At least 1 and 2 तो लिख. You take your notebook. He is having the volume. And tell them जिसका भी हो गया जल्दी आने के लिए.
Not wrong. I can.
1 and 2 only right. Leave that mango. As you are saying, I am going to explain. Na? I mean something. अभी से प्रैक्टिस डालना पड़ेगा ना, लेकिन हम जाके नेक्स्ट ईयर में थोड़ा सा they will bring in. If I leave them now only. Just 1 minute. Plans. Careful. I'm standing next to you. I can't take a bulldozer on me. मुझे मम्मी से क्या बोला when you are not laughing or smiling means you are sleeping ऐसा बोला if you are not giggling or laughing means you are sleeping if not you are very bulging in the head ऐसा बोला that's okay the ladies and a man कुछ बोला try to give a compliment to her whatever the mothers exactly even the teeth also है ना gift of mother beauty religion. You are also very naughty like and तुमको देखना नहीं करती ये तो है इसके बीच में देखो the age generally children do must and I want you to do good sit let's say आजा आजा जल्दी बैठ जाओ जगह पे the show is on only popcorn to be served my smile is for something else इधर आ ये फोन है क्या है next time you make a mumble of the word then I'll make you to write 10 times of the same word 15th December इसके ऊपर मूवी बना लेंगे बैठ जा तो सेकंड लेक्चर में बताऊं hey guys write down the heading I'm going to give the points by the time these kiddos come we will continue with the answer the video आप लोग बॉडी परफ्यूम या परफ्यूम मारते क्या चारों में से कोई हाँ बोलो ना इसमें क्या है at this age don't use it guys मतलब यही यूज करना very तो because it has certain unwanted alcohol contents पहले आपको लगेगा बॉडी को खुशबू दे रहा है but then after your sweat ना it adds more गंदा बदबू they did not say my lift and my building watchman लिफ्ट बाहर आते वो लेडीज लोग जो जाते हैं इतना बदबू खुशबू लेके जाता है ऑफिस में Did you write the first point? Second point I am writing. Samai. Okay, today I will be starting with population as well. And we'll finish up this 2 lectures we got it. Good. And population is a quite interesting chapter. Keep coming in, and occupy the place. Today, if both of you, anybody I hear laughing. No. वो तो मैंने कॉम्प्लीमेंट देने के लिए बोला तो उसके मतलब क्या पूरा 60 मिनट लगता ही रहेगा how is your behavior in the house एक बार मम्मी there also you do the same thing that is a constipation problem too ये constipation इधर है हम लोग when I go for debates and discussion ना the speaker who is speaking too much he say he is having diarrhea oral diarrhea जो मुंह रुकता नहीं बड़े everyone have signed right anybody left एक ही बच्चा बाहर है सब है वो ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि लड़की बाहर है हाँ दैट्स करेक्ट इधर ओके keep writing the video is right ready for you what is seen in the book what a wonderfully can I use the word SQEUIPD I don't use any abusive words in English. मातृभाषा में तेलुगु तेरी तो माँ मतलब अच्छी है तेरी आप लोग देने गाली हाँ लड़कियाँ बहुत देती है मैंने सुना नहीं हाँ बोलो अरे मैं MBA लेक्चर्स लेता हूँ ना मैं स्टूडेंट्स को बोलता हूँ सैटरडे स्टूडेंट को जाने का वकेशन टाइम है और सी की तरफ पलट जाने का नोबडी शुड बी जो भी टीचर तुझे मंडे टू फ्राइडे गाली दिया है वो पूरा उसका गाली फिर से बेचारा मंडे टू फ्राइडे गाली करता है फिर से जाके सैटरडे संडे गाली देता है सो ही इज रिमूविंग ऑल दिस टेंशन now look here as a word is saying it is tropical thorn forest and scrubs is the trees different from scrubs or is it shrubs shrubs are different scrubs are different अभी मुझे स्क्रब से मुझे स्कॉच ब्राइट याद आता है घर पे काम करता हूँ you know what is scotch brite ये लड़की से बोलो what is scotch brite you do what do you do so when I use the word scrubs these are not trees of normal type what normal type abnormal very we can say thorny very rough generally poets and what do you call it the nature lover has the habit of admiring the flower anytime you have seen anybody is admiring the thorns क्यों नहीं करने का तो बरो वही नहीं है I love the fruits but I don't like the branches which are holding the fruits that's tragedy is it I remember a fruit called lychee I never used to put it in my mouth because it is good to taste, but it gives a very sore throat. But वो लीची का बाहर का कवर देखेगा तो इतना गंदा लगता है. लेकिन you know what is lychee? Everyone have? She loves it. All unwanted things, मतलब good things she loves it. So we say the word thorn. What is thorn? Generally, these are modified into thorns to reduce the transpiration. What is transpiration?
Water loss.
Water loss due to स्टोमाटा बोलते हैं दूसरा बायोलॉजी तो मुझे आता था मैं साइंस टीचर नहीं बन जाता थ्रू इवोपरेशन बाय इवोपरेशन only absorbs already the water is less and how are the roots are deep penetrating in search of water अभी इतना डिटेल में कोई एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता but I am trying so that you develop a keen interest so the first point that I have written thorny trees and bushes normal में bushes को stunted बोलते हैं stunted what is stunted in human beings, you might have seen some are not very tall enough. They are called as dwarf. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? हाँ. So dwarf people. So सोच लो ये dwarf है. And next I'm saying semi-arid. Why is it the word arid and semi-arid? What is the difference? Can I say western part of Rajasthan is arid, fully arid, and what is semi-arid? East part, little bit dry, little bit wet. Little bit dry, little bit wet, not fully wet. The soils are not like when you lift it. You have seen. So this is what we are saying. And what is the best thing about this forest? As per the soil condition, as per the water availability, they finally adapt themselves. If they don't adapt, they will die. Like during the exam time, you have to study fast, and you have to write fast. And during the lecture time, कुछ तो एक ऐड आता है स्लीप वो फास्ट तो क्या होता है वो फास्ट बोलते जाता है मैं तो सोता ही रहता है ना so lecture time you can leisurely write so normally these are well adapted to the conditions which I am going to say and why is the word tropical written there it is a latitudinal location it is not extreme not extreme south north and south of what equator is it okay so let's understand through video
The natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation
Just go.
is found in the northwest part of the country, including semi-arid Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Acacias, palms, euphorbias, and cacti are the main plant species.
Can anybody can say a word on acacia and euphorbias? Correct. Come on, you repeat. I'm waiting. Dia will repeat. Wait. Euphorbia. ना उसका नाम पे एक म्यूजिक ग्रुप भी है मैंने सुना है ना यूफेरिया हाँ यूफोरिया ये मुझे इंग्लिश समझ में आता तो मैं उनका नाम ऐसे अच्छा ठीक है हाँ बोलो जल्दी only one you told tell me four then I'm not aware.
Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are succulent to leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. These forests give way to thorn forests and scrubs in arid areas.
I say this is semi-arid. If it is fully arid, it will be going to thorn. Right? Scrubs. Earlier, what did you write? Bushes and shrubs. It will change. If you remember that we have deciduous two kind. What are they? Moist and dry. Based on what we divide? Rainfall. Can anybody tell me the moist deciduous rainfall? Everyone. 100. How about dry deciduous? 100 to 70 centimeter. Is the trees found are more or less same? More or less same. What really demarcates them is the availability of water. Rainfall, sorry.
In these forests, the common animals are rats, mice.
Hey, somebody asked me the difference between rats and mice is there. Rats are generally bigger. And जो हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना माइस चूहिया चू लोग ऐसे ही करते रहते हैं हाँ and even if you try to keep one leg on it, it will bounce as if you put an elephant on that body. This is that mice. And then we have a hybrid mice also. Have you seen? I think in Marathi and Hindi they call it as guinea pig. What is guinea pig? It's white in color. मेरे लिए तो दोनों सेम ही है. That is white in color. देखा है? And the eyes are very red hot. बहुत गुस्से में रहता है. ऐसा कोई हाँ वो नहीं है. वो फिर आप ससा को पकड़ के बोले. And normally these are used by scientists. Why white rice is only used by all the injection that before you get it, बेचारा उसी को डालता है. 951.
1951.
When you were not born that time.
Yes.
What did you do?
There was
1951 में क्या? अभी जो वैक्सीन कोरोना आया वो भी उसी को पहले. They only are the. Then they tried in little bit bigger animal called rabbits. Then they tried in little bigger monkeys. And monkeys के बाद हम donkeys. अंदर से हो है ना? चलिए.
Rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger,
My favorite.
lion,
I don't like it.
wild ass, horses, and camels.
Okay, so let's continue.
The top
अच्छा और भी.
forests and scrubs
Okay.
in regions
You
with
guys not missed it, no? So let's proceed quickly. Write the next point. How many points you have written? 2 points. This chapter is very important, so concentrate. That's why purposely I'm showing you every forest one video. Okay, chaliye. Third point. Main species, main vegetation species, acacias. Palm tree or palms also you can do. Euphorbias. And cacti. Next. Deep, long, penetrating roots. Next point. Deep, long, penetrating roots. In search of water. Are the unique feature of trees found here. Are the unique features of trees found here. Next. Thick and small leaves. Thick, small leaves. With thorns to reduce the loss of water hyphen, that is dash, evaporation. Animals popularly found. Animals popularly found hyphen, rats, mice. While writing that, picture should come in your mind. Rabbits, good. Fox, wolf, tiger, lion. Wild, ASS. That's bad word. नहीं बोलता है? सुना मैंने. Horse and camels. Horses and camels. Evaporation absorbs the water, and if it is for you're talking from the leaves point of, then it is transpiration. Correct? The process is evaporation, and for leaves I can say transpiration. Right up. Rainfall is generally less than 70 centimeters. Rainfall is generally less than 70 centimeters with not well distributed type. Not well distributed type. मतलब properly distributed भी नहीं होता है ना. Now read all that and tell me anywhere you got stuck, and make the learning part here only. Don't keep it here. मतलब if I say the entire parts of the Rajasthan, maybe out of 4 regions it might give only 1 region, and that was a very moody type. We can't depend on it. That's why these regions are arid. If it is more little bit of rain, it is semi-arid, and it doesn't take long time that semi-arid becoming arid. एक साल बारिश नहीं हुआ, the semi-arid will also join arid. Correct. Next. Hey, now his favorite mangrove. Mangrove का लिखा क्या तुमने? नहीं लिखा ना? He remembers 1 point and he has written that only. Mangroves. Point number 1. थोड़ा सा अभी वीडियो बंद करते हैं और ये चैप्टर को खत्म करेंगे. खत्म क्या हो भी गया? कौन सा? I didn't say anything. I was just explaining. That's what he has written. Also known as also known as tidal forest. Also known as tidal forest. How much of this? Also known as tidal forest, and found in the areas influenced by tidal action. Tidal, T-I-D-A-L. Influenced by tidal action. Next.
Tidal forest and
Influenced by, found in areas influenced by tidal action. Next.
Tidal actions.
Yes. What I'm trying to give it to you. Mangroves. The main characteristics are, the short and tiny points you will get it. Main characteristics are, all right, 2, 3, 1, whatever is the number. Roots of plants submerged underwater. Roots of plants submerged underwater. Next. Tiny leaves. Next. Mainly found in marshy and swampy. Marshy and swampy. You know the spelling of both? Regions. Next. Found in Ganga, Ganga, I was saying Ganga. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta.
Rivers near tropical.
Ganga Brahmaputra Delta with Sundari trees. Don't write Sundari, huh? It's Sundari. Sundri, bus. Sundari trees in large numbers. Next. Delta with Sundari trees in large numbers. Next.
After Brahmaputra.
Original homeland of Royal Bengal tiger. Original homeland of Royal Bengal tiger. Come on. Turtles. Crocs. If I give crocs, will you write crocodiles? You write crocs. I think I allowed it this. They have written ghadials and snakes. Ghadials are alligators. This is the spelling. Ghadials. It's a Hindi word. And what's it? I bound. Who asked it? Good. Hey, तुम्हारा नाम क्या बोला? हर लेक्चर में. At least everyone knows what is a crocodile. Have you seen at least on a channel or a picture? Normally, have you seen its mouth? Crocodile mouth is generally the teeth comes out. Not all, few teeth. Whereas alligator mouth is very lengthy. It's like your plastic scale. And teeth are all inside, and the nose will be exactly udhar. आप लोग कार्टून में भी एक कैरेक्टर है लगता है वैसा. I don't remember the cartoon show बीच में आता रहता है. Slim Stone करके एक कार्टून है वो तो देखा है. ये सब हमारे दादाजी का टाइम का है. So ghadials are alligators with long beaks, and they are generally small, but they are very powerful. Whereas did I not say 40 feet crocodile? They are crocs, and crocs have their main energy when they are inside the water. When it is outside the water, even you can also go and give them one chapter. But the skin is very hard enough, and the best thing you want to run out of it, try to hit it in its eyes. अब जाके उसका मुंह खोलेगा, वरना छोड़ेगा ही नहीं. The bites are the strongest bite in the world of an animal is crocodile. Once they have tested by putting one chicken and उसके अंदर एक machine रख के डालने वाला, and then the machine breeds. So even if it catches elephants leg, if it is going inside the water, it can pull the entire elephant deep inside the water. And the good thing about crocodiles, they do not have a grinding teeth like you and me. Cavity canal or root canal, so they bite the prey and they just keep turning. Video mein? Why they keep turning? So that the mass of that chunk of the meat comes up. ऐसा नहीं कि एक साइड से काट के खींचे. यार पूरा एक्शन कर रहा है, बट हमको तो कोई खींचे नहीं. All in the doomsday line. पूरा neck pain करते हैं. I can sit here and difference between, that's what you are asking, is that? Alligator and crocs, is it? This is a dangerous crocodile. उसका teeth normally अंदर की तरफ ही रहेगा.
What's the difference between alligators have a round U-shaped snout? Crocodiles have a slender V-shaped snout. Alligators have a wider upper jaw, so when they close their mouth, all you see are the top sets of their teeth. When crocodiles close their mouths, both sets of teeth show. Alligators can get up to 15 feet and weigh around 800 pounds, while crocodiles can get up to 18 feet and weigh 2,000 pounds. Alligators prefer freshwater. Crocs can live in saltwater habitats. Alligators are a lot more docile. If this was a crocodile, it wouldn't be alive. Crocodiles tend to be more aggressive. Please keep in mind, though, that Sani and choppers have been raised around humans their whole life. There used to be. Never do this with a wild alligator. That's the difference between alligators and crocodiles.
इसका दांत से ही ज्यादा दिखता है.
Crocodile की lifespan करीब 50 से 60 साल होती है.
Crocodile को भी Instagram में that is the lady is speaking. Some DX, friend of me for the country. The alligators are found in freshwater. That's enough. One more videos. Oh, where I'm watching. Tell you, that is India, Pakistan. Hey, you watched the news channel at least today. Incursion of China into India and Indian soldiers give them a befitting reply as China. ये जो मार के भगाया चाइनीज लोगों को, हाँ 4.5 फुट को तो 2.5 फीट कर दिए. And all ran. It's in a place called Tawang. That's in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, done. Let's write the last, not the last. Mangrove हो गया ना? क्या अभी medicinal plants हम लोग वॉल्यूम में ही मार करेंगे, ठीक है? Medicinal plants. धीरे ससुमा क्या याद है? मम्मी भाई मम्मी का याद है दूसरा. Point number 1, known for its herbs and species, spices. No need to write. Medicinal plant. Page number 231. Some 2,000 plants have been described, underlined. 500 are in regular use. 352 medicinal plants. 52 होने चाहिए. Commonly used are Sarpagandha, only open bracket, treat blood pressure, only उतना ही चलेगा. Jamun, prepares vinegar, diuretic and digestive properties, close bracket. Arjun, juice of leaves cure earache. एक बच्चा सर अराक अराक से कौन सा डिसीज है? बोला अराक करके कुछ भी नहीं सर, जो वॉल्यूम में दिया अराक ईयर एक नहीं सर, इधर तो अराक लिखा है सर, ईयर अलग लिखना था, एक अलग लिखना है ना। बबूल अंडरलाइन फॉर सोर आईज एंड गम, उधर लिख लो टूथपेस्ट। बबूल का टूथपेस्ट बहुत पॉपुलर था और पॉपुलर चले गया, nobody used it. Then come down to 232 neem, antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Tulsi, cure cough and cold. ये मैंने भी नहीं सुना, what is kachna? Underline asthma and ulcers. Then you want to discuss this or shall we go ahead? If we normally say what are medicinal plants, besides so many plants that you have discussed, I think I feel this is most important. Certain South Indians keep on repeating that medicine and pharmacy are there in their kitchen. Every time we drink water, hot water, cool, but we add this cummins. You know what a cummins? Jeera. Cummins, that's what we say. When it boils and brings up, just put some few, and school it's a highly curable type. And it is looking yellow in color. Yellow in color. Jeera डालेंगे तो पानी ये नहीं होगा. तुम डाल के देखो. And normally you would have seen certain olden days, even in Maharashtra I've seen, they tie these mango leaves everywhere. अभी तो पूरा शामियाना में ले गया. Why mango leaves? Why mango leaves? Why not suddenly palm leaves make रखे बाहर? बड़ा है ना?
Property that
What are the insects?
insects or any pests.
No insects. When more than 10 or 15 people come in a conglomerate, carbon dioxide levels are high. And these leaves have these good properties of absorbing all the carbon dioxide. Also dried air, but then also they can do majority. In some, what do you call it, marriages, South Indian marriages, this banana plants are generally, not banana plant, trees are generally, any idea why? Because that has a properties of multiplying in large numbers and it is very easy to grow also. It's a symbolized. Banana ka har ek part use hota hai. Uska leaf, uska stem, uska fruit and that yellow color flower. They make beautiful vadas out of that also. Very tasty, but बहुत सर खाओ खाना हो पूरा निकल सकता है. मम्मी बनाते तो काम फिर मुझे करना. But खाते से अच्छा लगता है. So normally medicinal plants we have tulsi, we have neem, we have jamun, etc. etc. Jamun is that you eat, but that seed is very important. If it is dried and made in powder, my dad used to drink when he was infected by, not infected by, having diabetic, and it's very kadwa. Jamun, and it is too good for your health. Papa आया बोला फिर क्या पापा?
Papaya.
Seeds, son. ये किसने बोला? Dengue, correct. Absolutely right. Then we have this neem leaves. They say the neem leaves, neem tree right in front of your corridor. Even the air which passes through the neem leaves touches your skin also, that is good. Antibacterial properties are. If I don't know which soap, Lux Beauty, whatever you use, but try to use any neem related one that is very good for your skin. Neem. And neems are part of the, any part of every part of rural villages. I think Maharashtra also have seen many people grow neem tree. Easy to grow, but it is very good in property. Even if you early morning, that red color plant, a leaf, jo naya rehta hai, one and then drink water. It's very, very not so sweet to say, but it is very good for your blood circulation and controls diabetic till a long, long time. Neem. Tulsi, everybody knows, correct? इधर तो मैंने सुना महाराष्ट्र में तुलसी का शादी भी होता है, but अभी तक मुझे किसी ने बोला नहीं किसके साथ होता है. कृष्णा के साथ. कृष्णा किस को तो करेगा. हाँ, correct. And tulsi are generally very good for your cough and cold. Correct. Hot water, put 1 leaves of tulsi. So why I'm saying all this? This is part and parcel of your and my life. But you look, majority of people today we go for allopathy. What is allopathy? Modern medicines. We want quick relief, but that quick relief will give you quick tension sometime later. Ayurveda is something you and me have come to know very late. But then Ayurveda is having its own department in the government of India. Can anybody say which department? It is called as Ayush Mantralaya. When COVID was on a full, क्या बोलता अपना ट्वीट पे था, Mr. Patanjali Baba came out with this Coronil, 600 rupees per pack. And there was Maran Dhar in our marriage, Coronil मुझे. But आयुष मंत्रालय ने बाबा को दो झापा, बोला योगासन करता है, पतंजलि पीता है, वो वहां तक रुकता है. Coronil मंत्र. You saying मेरे पास रिकॉर्ड है, मैंने ये किया है, वो किया, पहले अपने ऊपर टेस्ट कर. I think he sold also Coronil, 650 rupees. जहाँ पतंजलि मेरे एरिया में नजदीक है पानबिच में, तो one of that fellow is my very name. So आप भी ले लो सर एडवांस में. बोला क्यों? Coronil best है सर. फिर एक वैक्सीन किस लिए बना? Because vaccine companies doesn't want this cheap medicine to come out. We have a person in Pune. Anybody know his name? He is $1 million. Adar Pune wala, Adar. And that company is considered to be one of the richest in the world. 70% of the vaccines of the world is produced in India. America ka vaccine bhi idhar hi banta. Adar Pune wala has made all the Cambridge formula. What is that? AstraZeneca. जो इंडिया में अपने को क्या नाम से लगा? Whatever. So we say medicinal plants are those plants which really helps to keep your life healthy and fit without approaching to medicine. Now, what do you want to say?
There is one. I don't know what you call it in.
No, I don't call anything.
It is called Kaduli.
Kadu limbacha pan.
It is very
Small, tiny, black color fruit. What do you do with that? That's a normal. That you keep it in the house also. I know that. Uska hamari mummy bhajiya banati hai.
It is very good.
That's okay. Okay. Medicinal plants done. Let's proceed to the page only wildlife. Come on, quick. Like flora, underline. India also rich in its fauna. Underline only 90,000 animal species, 2,000 birds. बस उतना ही यहाँ constitute 13% वो सब नहीं चाहिए. Then let us go directly. Elephants are the most underlined majestic mammals, mainly found open bracket Assam, Karnataka, Kerala. In fact, Kerala's elephant festival, you must watch it on the television at least. Trivandrum is the main center for that. Then one-horned rhino, underline. Underline. Okay. And then you go down to Ran of Kutch, underline, mainly for camels and wild animals only again. Indian bison. Nilgai suna hai? Anybody? What is Nilgai all about? ये महाराष्ट्र में भी मिलता है. हाँ, क्या है?
It has that.
It's Indian. It is a hybrid variety which is considered to give more of large number of quantities of milk, but it's not very good. But हमारा जो normal cow है जो दिन का 2.5 लीटर मुश्किल से देता है, that is the best for your health. The Americans came up with the formula. They will give their jersey to Indian people. Jersey minimum एक दिन में 20 लीटर देता है. And they took away all the guys which give only 2.5 liters. But हमारा Indians का माइंड में किसी को बल्ब नहीं जला, तो 20 लीटर का गाय हमको देखे तू 2.5 लीटर का वाला क्यों लेके जा? Because the 2.5 liter wala hai na, that is the best milk for your babies and you. And the 20 liter wala, whoever have drank it in large numbers. One of my friends is a Kushti Palman, the entire family. 2 people are in the hospital because every day minimum they will consume 5 to 15 liters of milk. अब पहलवान तो वैसे ही खाना, हाँ 3 liters. अरे फिर उसका रोटी चपाती सब चुनेगा तो वैसे ही निकल. In my group, he was the fattiest boy. When I go to his house, he is the slimmest boy. उसका पापा तो ऐसा, उसका भाई तो उससे भी बड़ा, तो बोलते हैं हम लोग दिन में ना कम से कम 75 चपाती खाता है. तो पूरे दिन में नहीं सिर्फ आफ्टरनून में. मेरा पापा को 40 चपाती अलग से खाता. Because he plays wrestling for railway. Why I am giving this? Because in India we have a lot of things which are Americans have snatched from India. In fact, he only explained me अपना जो cow का जो hump है ना, उसमें they have a nerve. उसको बोला था सूर्य केतु nerve बोलता है उसको. आगे तो बोल. Yes, she told, and it absorbs the sun's important rays and try to convert that into milk and lactic acid. And that's why even today you see those from your hometown who come down to city, they will not drink the city milk. उनको गांव का वैसा का ही milk चाहिए. Because that is quality wise, it is very good. Even in your area, if you have a dairy, dairy. You go there and take milk. No diarrhea. Underline tiger. बस हो गया. Tiger, Sundarban. Leopards. Then Himalayan harbor. Ladakh. You write yak. So what is this yak? Yak is, yeah, it's more like a buffalo only, but lot of hair. और ये लद्दाख में ही मिलता है. Since it is found in Ladakh, it has to. Yeah, I didn't get to take it for. ठीक है, दे देंगे. Then you underline shaggy horned wild ox. नाम तो pop का singer है फिर wild ox. Shaggy. Underline Tibetan antelope. Shaggy, hey, shaggy. Wild sheep. And then bhalu. Even I have this. It is blue sheep. You not heard. These are those sheep which are having special kind of hair, out of which they make this pashmina shawl. Pashmina shawl उसका इतना ही body का hair लेता है. And if I'm not wearing anything, pashmina shawl कितना भी बड़ा shawl रहना तो you can pass it smoothly through a ring. Wool नहीं है. Silk से भी soft रहता है. I purchased one for my mother when I was returning. मैं बोला इंडिया में मिलता है. नहीं वहीं से लेकर आ. सबके लिए लेकर आ मेरे लिए. मैं बोला $75 फिर भी चलेगा. मैं दे दूँगी तुझे पैसा. It is manufactured in Himalaya, Kashmir only, and it is very good. बहुत पतला है. You just when you are going in some wintry or dry condition, you just embalm it. You will feel very hot, and काफी trendy भी लग रहा है.
पतला है कैसे गरम कर रहा है?
That is the specialty of that wool. मुझे क्या wool मतलब इतना मोटा ही पहने रहेगा? That is the specialty of that wool. पश्मीना. घर में parents से पूछना चाहिए if they know then let you know. Let's proceed. Need for conserving, but this I will be doing after 5 minutes. Okay. So we were basically studying. Okay. So I need a new volume. My volume is complete. The other parts of the chapter I go a little bit faster, and I'll give you 5 minutes of time so that you fill up the certain answers which you do not do. Or if you want, I can give it right now. Okay, so look here. Causes of threat to natural vegetation. Someone read. You read. Rahi, read. Causes. अच्छा वो भी पढ़ लो. राही पढ़ेगी ना फटाफट. हाँ. Above one.
Of conserving the natural vegetation, wildlife. The conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife is essential because we have selected our crops from a biodiverse environment.
Okay, underline that first. Maintaining biodiversity. Maintaining. He is to be happy. Go ahead.
That is, from the reserve of edible plants, we also experimented.
What are edible plants means? Which plants you are eating?
Palak.
Palak. उधर लिखो green leafy vegetables. सीधा पालक. Spinach बोलो ना तो. I randomly ask you. बाकी lectures में आपको तो नहीं से behave करता है. And how do the teacher react? They don't react. I am the person. What do you do? I have to take tips from him. How to make you cry. Quick, come on, read.
The animals were selected from large stock provided by nature and rich animals. They also provided us broad power, transportation, meat, and eggs. The fish provide nutritive food. Many insects help in pollination of crops and fruit trees.
It's pollination. I got some, it's pollution.
Fruit trees and exerting biological control on such insects is harmful.
Hmm.
Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem.
If you have read what is food chain, anybody knows what is a food chain? We have four. First is the herbivores. Next, omnivores. And herbivores se bhi niche kaun hai? Green plants. Each one have their role to play. If I say snakes are dangerous, I kill all the snakes, then the number of rats and mice will increase. If I kill all the tigers, then the deer will increase. Look how each are interconnected with one another. There was a time my dad used to say rats number was in Mumbai was very high. It's like more like a Pied Piper of Hamlin. Have you heard about the chapter? Wherever they pull the sockets to mice, inside the jacket 4 mice, pura city. So what did the BMC did? They said if you kill the rat and get the tail, you'll get 40 rupees. Yeah, I was not on board. So they say within 3 weeks all the rats vanished from Mumbai. Papa बोलते था रात को उनका दोस्त का ग्रुप पूरा लाइट वेट लगा के पूरा hunt में निकला. And then there was a number of crows were problem. Crows, it's a nuisance bird. And in Hindu religion we worship it. But I remember during my school days we had a one pagal kawa in a school area. It will bite the ear of the students. Even I laughed at when my brother and after 2 days it bite me also. We used to search cover with but exactly it will be months or years ago. It is called as versatile bird in science, you know. Why it is a versatile bird? It eats almost anything and everything. Dead rat se leke, insan ka salega se leke, kuch bhi nahi chhodta. And then when comes in our courtyard in Amavasya, फिर मेरा माता बोलते आ जाओ भगवान वो खाने तक हम वो नहीं खाए तो सुबह नहीं खाने. और उस दिन उसका नाटक भी बहुत रहेगा, वो खाएगा भी नहीं. It will be sitting right and वड़ा पायसम सब रखा रहेगा, पर नहीं खाए. फिर मम्मी बोली कि जब तक वो नहीं खाता बैठे तो तेरा पापा है आया है. तो तुझे कैसे मालूम वो मेरा पापा है? कहीं से तो आया है. Because we give very much importance. Like in Gujarat, they have a temple for rats. And why do they made a rat temple? Because the entire village was having a trouble of this. So one of the Guruji took some sweet things and kept it in one of the temple. So जितना भी rats था घरों में वो पूरा उस जगह पर चले गए. आज भी public उधर जाके rats के लिए खाना डालता. तो एक भी घर में rats नहीं है, but उधर है. Like yesterday, BJP celebrated the 300th year of that particular Guruji, and every day for last so many years, right from Tipu Sultan till date, they burn a oil lamp 7 PM every day. And वो दिया का नाम I think वो क्या था मियाँ दिया करके वो कुछ Mohammedan name था. उसको लोग ने अभी change करके हिंदू name कर. Because Tipu Sultan used to encourage that oil lamp. So there are many times in culture we have many religion. Even today anacondas are also worshipped. Not in India. Red Indians in America, some parts. Nag Panchami. And many times during Nag Panchami, the doctors say, please do not feed them with the milk. But हमारा Indian lady सुनती नहीं है. उसका पिया ना मेरा भी पीना पड़ेगा. उसका मुंह खोल के 2 स्पून डाल देते. पर बेचारा मर जाता है. They can't drink milk for long. And egg को भी वो लोग खाता नहीं. It just gallops. और जो टच करके खाता है वो अपना राठी है. फिर मम्मी अरे वाह मेरा खाया और इधर है. So there are many things which goes in and around our culture, but we protect the animals like any other family member. Correct? Let's go ahead. Who was reading? Rai, jaldi.
Causes of threat to natural vegetation and wildlife. The main causes for this major threat to nature are due to excessive exploitation of plant and animal resources by human beings,
Hmm.
the ecosystem has been disturbed. About 1,300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct.
Hey, you understand the difference between endangered and
Extinct.
okay, good. Go ahead. Because in 10th, I will be explaining in detail. Go ahead.
Quite few animal species are also endangered and some have become extinct. The main cause
Extinct.
extinct.
Uh-huh.
The main causes of this major threat to nature are hunting by greedy hunters, commercial purposes.
Underline that word hunting and underline commercial. I think yesterday I was bound to say when they were showing the turtles, there was a turtle called star turtle. उसका जो shell है उसके ऊपर star जैसा design रहेगा, and it is very costly. And from India they smuggle to Singapore and it goes to China and Malaysia. They make medicines. And star turtle all over India, all over the world, it is found only in India. And they are, normal lifespan of a turtle. Anybody?
Yes.
150 years minimum. 150 साल रहे. अगर आप एक घर पे आज अपने टर्टल लेकर आके रखा है, सोचा आपका बच्चे का बच्चा भी उसको देखता रहे, और वो घर छोड़ के नहीं गए. हाँ, वो तो कोई भी मरेगा ना, फिर क्या तुम बिना दिए उसको जिंदा. कुछ बच्चा ने उसको गले में फांसी डालने की तरह लटका के रखा है. अलगेश ने बोला 150 साल जिएगा, कहता जीता मैं भी देखता हूँ. 3 दिन के बाद मर गया. सर आपने बोला 150 साल कल मर गया. They put it in the fish tank there. But fish tank wala to that is a very small variety. You don't put the big one. But they inside the fish tank. Acha, what is it? How long it is living? ये सब बोलते हैं जो main question is concerned. Not more than 2 years. But an average lifespan is 100 to 150 years. That is turtle. I think Maharashtrians, they worship and they put this ring also, the turtle. They have it. Because that is one of the avatar of Lord Vishnu. Matsya avatar ya kuch to bolta na. I don't know if my Sanskrit is. Go ahead.
Pollution due to the chemical and industrial waste, acid deposits, introduction of alien species, and reckless
Underline the word alien species. How do you explain the word alien species here? It is not unknown species. I mean, the places where tigers are in large numbers, suddenly if elephants take over, the elephants try to drive the who out? Tiger. So elephant is a which species in that area? Alien. It is not found there, but बेचारा उसका कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ रहेगा उसका घर के बारे में. So it has shifted to this area. I don't know in history. I don't know when I was teaching. I don't know. When I was teaching history, Harappan and Aryan civilization. You remember?
That is in Southern Europe.
It's a 9th standard HSC history. Go ahead.
Reckless cutting of the forests to bring land under cultivation and habitation are also responsible for environment.
Underline regular cutting of trees. Reckless.
Migratory birds. Some of the wetlands of India are popular with migratory birds. During winter, birds such as Siberian crane come in large numbers. One such place favorable with birds is the run of Kutch.
It's run of Kutch. Now, if we use the word migratory birds during the time of COVID, that seawood stretch area, we have seen the lovely flamingos coming in. I think very quickly, पूरा city को लोग ने flamingo city में कर दिया. हर जगह कोने में एक पक्षी खड़ा है. I'm loving it. Like this year it should not come. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं pray कर रहा हूँ. But कितने साल से flamingos आए ना? Because since it was COVID, since the Navi Mumbai was without that vehicle noise, the flamingos have come. I hope this year also comes, next year also comes, then we get the flamingo city. We live in certain buildings where it is 19th floor, 19th. Soch lo, on exact Palm Beach. And when we are doing meditation in 21st floor, the car sound exactly we can receive it full noise. Early morning, I'm saying 5:30. तो सोचो, पर दिन भर जो कार का run sound आता है, फिर कहाँ से flamingos बैठेगा? है ना? They are very delicate. And migratory birds are those birds which come all the way from Australia, all the way from New Zealand, and every year they come at the same time, same place. No passport and no visa. That is different. How do they find the exact location? Some people told me, sir, their nose and their brain, the sensory organs are connected. And when they are flying, one bird will be always in the front, the leader bird, that's they call it. And he or she, we do not know who is he, they will guide and baki pura bunch usko follow kar. And they come to India when that part is freezing winter. They will come here, lay the eggs, take the young ones, and फिर बिना passport का फिर यहाँ से young ones को भी लेके उड़ जाते. And then they will go back to the same city where they come from. So many historians, sorry,
At a place where the desert merges in the sea, flamingo with a brilliant pink plumage come in thousands to build nest mounds from the salty mud and raise their young ones.
Bas. Or kuch. Hey, just check. You want me to give points for that extinction of that animals? Pakka, will you able to write 5 points? So Laliko, quickly. For that heading. What is the heading? The second heading. Come on. Briefly list out. I'm giving the question. Quick. Briefly list out. Briefly list out main causes for the threat of natural vegetation and wildlife. वही है ना? नीचे वाला नहीं है? Threat of natural vegetation. Quick, short points. Again, briefly list out main causes of threat to natural vegetation and wildlife. Volume देखो short with. I'll start the new chapter called population. By the time you finish, I'm ready with my explanation. That's very small word. What is the heading? वो तो मैं मान कर दूंगा. ये क्या है? ठीक है कर. Since you copy.
How many
4 or 5 points. Right. Where is the question? What did you say? You come on. Can you? What a bad habit of saying this. Anytime did I say that more guys? Where is the question? Now did you write the answer? Sit here and write. But I don't know. Either without knowing the answer. No, and the sector. I was just getting to you. Okay. Then I said. Interpretation of law. Sometimes actually. To be marks up. I'm coming. Anyone got any problem? Okay. So after writing that, everyone put the heading today's date. Yeah, why not? Show me. Those are written, I'm checking. Hey, where is the question? Next time if I see your answer without the question, देखो what I'll do. ठीक है, major. What is the spelling of the thread? इतना भी फास्ट मत लिखो. Waste to waste दिख रहा है. I'll be checking your notebook. Ready? No. For giving the checking only. भाई साहब तेरा handwriting है ना इतना बढ़िया है that I don't like to say any beauty for your handwriting and points भी इतना छोटा-छोटा क्यों लिखा है? ऐसा नहीं करता है. इतना भी brief नहीं. Marks पर 4 का brief marks आधा दूंगा चलेगा? Marks will also come in brief. What is it for you, sir? Endangered the spelling, my dear. Extinct word को ही extinct कर दिया उसने. Cutting 2 बार. Reckless cutting. What should I cutting? Earlier I used to go for paper correction. I used to have tremendous jokes. Especially I never used to put a tick mark and correct and give. तो एक दो students लोग को समझ में आता मेरा correction. सामने से सर आपने correct ही नहीं किया marks कैसे दिया? मतलब पढ़ के देखते रहा आंसर. जो marks दिया उसका equivalent. ये दूसरा है. Pollution due to chemical क्या है? And industrial waste. अच्छा. Cutting off है क्या? Off है. वो double F है ना? Yeah, just my joke. हाँ? But आपने 2 बार लिखा है ना my dear friend. अच्छा ठीक है. तो मैंने extinct कोई yours दिया notebook. What happened all of a sudden? एक मिनट छोड़ उसका उठो. ये बहुत cool. कल किधर गया बोला? Immigration visa का लेके गया. पासपोर्ट रेनोवेशन नहीं होता है. रिन्यूअल होता है. रिन्यूअल. रेनोवेशन मतलब उसका पेपर पर फाड़ के हो गया. चलो हैप्पी टू स्टार्ट. They flying on leaves. That's a bad joke. जैसे मैंने पहले बार पासपोर्ट लिया और वो पुलिस इंक्वायरी में गया. The police was देखो at least she had written everything neat and clean. बट मैडम हर जगह कुछ प्रिंटिंग करती रहती है पेन से, क्यों मैडम, क्या तकलीफ है? I think you are thinking though, na? Wherever you think, you make a shape. Chalo, write the heading population. There's one small para as Rai is saying, but we will do it little bit later. We'll do, or you want me to do that? I'm not going to skip it. And when you use the word population, what is the first picture that comes to your mind? Okay, next to China, India. So we have population, simple we say the word head count, but it is total number of people living within the political boundary for a given period of time. Why is there a need to count? Unless and until we do not know the exact population, the government cannot introduce various which program? Welfare program. So under population, we are going to study the first word. It is nothing but called census. Who can tell me the meaning of the word census?
Like old population.
Head count every 10 minutes.
It is the total head count of the population. As far as in India is concerned, it is after every 10 years. Then if I say after this, I think demography actually आपको नहीं है, उसके बाद size of population रहेगा. No, don't write. I'll be explaining it. Then we have growth of population. पूरा डाल देता हूँ, अगर आपको है या नहीं है, by the time you come to 10th, you'll get it. Next is population pyramid. सुना है? हाँ, ये Egyptian pyramids आ लगे. Then we'll be studying death rate. We'll be studying birth rate. We'll be studying something called as growth rate of population. Okay, पूरा population का ये topics है. And we'll be studying what is sex ratio. Then ठीक है. I mean, let me understand the word size of the population. Generally, size of the population refers to the actual given total population as per the latest survey. Which survey? Census survey. Because based on the size of the population only, government decides their package. Which package? Relief package, food distribution package, nutritional distribution program. As at Kharghar has 10 lakh people and it is giving only 1 lakh food package. Kisne wrong information kiya? The population department. If there is 10 lakh population, if the package is for 25 lakhs, 15 lakh नेताजी लोग ने अपने घर में घुसा दे, है कि नहीं? वैसे हमारा नेताजी लोग बहुत भूखा रहता है. हाँ, we always what is this? अच्छा, रेशन. Thank you. और उसमें क्या स्नेह है? अच्छा. So we always believe that size of the population. Next is the word population pyramid. As for the Indian population pyramid, I'll explain like this. We can. Girls are seriously mad. 16 to 59 years.
50 now.
रुको ना, या 50 ना तो क्या है?
50.
अभी क्या बेटा? Above 59 years and rest, this is 0 to 15 years. So now we say dependent population is these two and the earning population is this. Let me write this is earning population, correct? And these two are dependent population. So if we study carefully, the dependent population in India is more than the earning population. If I say it's a very latest not figure, it's a whole figure. 51% of the population are dependent. 49% of the people are working. Now, who has to be more and who has to be less?
when dead.
So now what is the trouble? These working population has to work double to feed the population. How will you come to know when you study?
Population pyramid.
Is it clear? Let us write the word death rate. If I want to push the word death rate, I give it like this. Like what? It is the average total number. Average to कैसा आधा मारा थोड़ी लिखी है. Total number of deaths. उसके लिए भी हैं. Per 1,000 of the given population. They take a sample. Birth rate. We say total number of live birth. वो भी मैं explain करता हूँ. Don't copy. I'll give you time. Per 1,000 of the given population. Why is there a need to study birth and death rate? Achha, who really takes an account of birth rate and death rate? Okay. And how do they reach the department? Because when there is a death in the family, you have to go and get a death certificate of the person. And they will take all the details. And that data goes to the government. Similarly, when the birth of the child takes place, the hospital gives the details to the government. Why is there a need to give? Because unless and until we do not keep a record of all this, again it is difficult for us to calculate. So normally birth rate, we take a sample of 1,000 and how many people are taking birth. Because birth rate is for all. But we generally try to take a sample and sample select करने वाला department वो CSO है. What does that CSO stands for? Central Statistical Organization. At least he could say the one. And why does the word live birth? पहला मैं generally birth rate सिखाता था. I'll say total number of live birth per 1,000. फिर death rate तुरंत. Sir, I know. मतलब क्या है? Total number of live deaths per 1,000. वो क्या होता live death? टेलीविजन में देखने को हमारा की जिंदा है. Why is the word live birth is written? There are certain cases, not certain, many cases, either the mother or the child. Mother तो फिर वो death rate में जाएगी. Even बच्चा जो born होके 1-2 दिन के अंदर मर जाता, that बच्चा is not taken into birth rate. Short term ना. So that is why certain bachas are dead when the delivery also due to some medical complications. I don't know what it is. But then that is the word we use the word live birth. तब जाके वो birth rate में घुसेगा. 3-4 दिन में 1 हफ्ते के अंदर डेथ होगा तो बर्थ रेट में नहीं है. उसको डायरेक्टली डेथ रेट में डाल.
1 साल के बाद डेथ रेट.
हाँ तो वो डेथ रेट 1 साल तक तुम उसको होल्ड में डालेगा. इधर तो तीसरा दिन ही बच्चे का एडमिशन के लिए जाके पापा लाइन में खड़ा कर. Okay. Then what is the growth rate? It is a growth rate of the population. It is nothing but the rate at which, I'm saying, the rate at which the population in the country or in the area or in the zone is multiplying. You accept the word multiplying or growing? Shall I use the word multiplying? Okay, let us understand what is this. As far as India's growth rate is concerned, they say it is very quick. Did I not say every 3 seconds one child? You have to just count 1, 2, 3, one bacha. Now with great efforts of the government, they have just gone and convinced them. Hum do, hamare do. Turant bolte tu ko. Pakistan have a football team in their house. I will produce at least a cricket team. It is a team in Pakistan. The elder brother is 45 years and youngest, I think I read it and it is truth also. Youngest brother is 16 and a half. And पूरा 12 player एक ही family का है. बड़ा भाई से लेकर छोटा भाई. तो जो क्रिकेट टीम अगर खेलने जाएगा तो भाई पूरा भाई लोग ये. बिहार, यूपी एक टाइम था ऐसा कि 11-11, 12 बच्चे, 24 बच्चे भी देंगे एक ही फैमिली. And that time though medical nothing. But then also बच्चा भी healthy, मम्मी तो double healthy. Because agriculture है, joint family है, but अभी इधर एक बच्चा भी 100 के बराबर है. पूरा बिल्डिंग में टॉप टू बॉटम उस बच्चे का नाम दे. दुकान से बोला हाँ वही. अच्छा हुआ एक से रुका बोले 2 पूरा बिल्डिंग ही इधर है. So we believe that today we are living in a city, at least the birth rate is little bit better. But even you go to villages today also, because agriculture है, बड़ा area है, it's not like our city life. That's why they have a limited. So growth rate directly is the population. And the last one, anybody?
Yes.
What is it?
Gender ratio. I mean,
But how do you say it in line?
distribution of gender.
And
ratio.
thousand females per
No. Distribution of gender.
100 people per one male.
1,000 per male.
Okay, it is the total number of female.
Per thousand.
ऐसा बोलो ना दोस्त. हाँ वही उसी को बोला है. राही per thousand male. Is it in India sex ratio equal or unequal? I use the word highly unequal. Why highly unequal? If I say it is not an exact one, they say per thousand males, they have something called as 937, 944, 950 female. If at all, I don't know whether they have it. You have to write two reasons why the number of girl children are less in India. Come on, first one.
Abortion. Mortality.
एक मिनट लक कहाँ से इधर लिखेगा रुक जा हाँ but you don't say
Then before abortion.
Oh, prenatal system.
it's a prenatal.
Determining the gender before the birth.
It is female.
उसको
Baba, I can't have to close my ears.
But I
Understanding, I understood. Girls are bulging with the answer. The first point that you have to write in your exam, female infanticide. जो मेन है वो नहीं आता, बाकी अनवांटेड सब बोलते हैं, प्रीनाटल ये चालू है, नहीं अच्छा है, नॉलेज है. Female infanticide, killing the girl children after the birth, and killing the girl children before the birth. Now you can say sex representation test. And Maharashtra is the first state in India which banned this. No couple can get the child sex before the birth. If the doctor revealed it, and if the couple goes for the abortion, both the doctor and the couple might be punished. अभी all over India है, बच्चा born होने तक आपको बताया नहीं जाएगा कि वो मेल है कि फीमेल. Because
इसलिए like ऐसे बिना gender जाने abortion ले सकती थी.
ये तो मैंने भी नहीं सुना. But if it is medical complications are there and doctor is advising, then it is okay. It is the only reason बच्चा फीमेल है और उसने ये कर.
they banned abortion.
वैसे वो लोग शादी की तरफ ये सडनली अमेरिका का. Okay. चलिए write down the heading in your notebook. Population refers to the total head count of the human population. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? In not in, sorry, at a given point in India, next line, in India, it is the census survey. Put that word census into single ignorant number. It is बोल रहा हूँ, she is writing it's. Madam, इधर English का, हाँ. It is the census survey, bracket, after every 10 years. It is the census survey after every 10 years. Population counting is undertaken. Is undertaken. Survey फिर वो census का meaning अलग हो जाएगा, है ना? Next. Population size and distribution. Okay, density of population. Population size and distribution. (252) and try to get 2 lines from there. Population size and distribution. Did you guys write or you want to give? Don't pull it, it will come out. That permanent mark will be on the face. If it's house में will I'm just joking. And this is the age indicated. What is that called as?
Acne.
Acne. Population distribution. What is that called as? Population. India's size and population distribution. Sorry, India's population size. Acne, words. Sorry to ladies are always confusing. Yesterday we had a confusion between Adam and Eve. Somebody was bound to ask who's Adam and Eve. आप लोग ही था? क्या confusion था? क्या confusion था? Should be on the head of the bacha. Don't know why. Since you are scheduled in 9th, I'm just bearing it. You ask my 10th standard bachas, how do I treat? है ना? तेरा बहन बोलती है? ये उसका बहन से डर के बातें नहीं करते हैं. That's okay, है ना? हाँ, वो तो मुझे मालूम है. उसकी बहन से कभी मिला है? मुझे खुद शॉकिंग हुआ कि ये उसका भाई है. What I am trying now, there are certain states in India which are very small in size. Like we have Arunachal Pradesh. It's a state recently, but पहले वो union territory था. The Arunachal Pradesh population Density matlab average number of people living in 1 kilometer. Especially Mumbai has the highest density. Area is less, but the more. Correct? But then you go to villages, the horizontal expansion of the population. What is horizontal? The houses are not tall, bungalow style. You go to Bangalore, even today, things are tall skyscrapers are least. But now it is Mumbai. The area where we say call the Palm and Beach, where my friends used to tease me when I purchased a flat. क्या फार्म में चलता है मतलब एक पॉश एरिया इधर गटर है रोड में नहीं अब आके देख के बोलते वाओ मतलब ये आओ अब मालूम पड़ा close to 6,000 per square feet now 1,000 देगा तो भी आपको फ्लैट मिलता है लेकिन शुरू टाइम पहले चला रहा था that time the density was less now we have buildings which are close to 54 stories in my own area. But मैंने उतना टेंशन लिया 4 स्टोरेज में किधर तो पकड़ के बैठी because the entire area ऐसा घास और जंगल रहता था अभी ये इतने बड़े बिल्डिंग मुझे तो टेंशन होता है कब वो नीचे आधा चले जाएगा आधा बिल्डिंग्स आर क्वाइट गुड एंड एरिया इज बिकम तो वी हैव आवर यूटी ब्रांच हां those two there is a flat which starts not green next to it was very cheap. Now it has become very costly. Now there are buildings, flat starts with average 4.5 CR and goes up till 15 CR. मैंने वो बिल्डर और मेरा एक बोला कौन खरीदता फ्लैट नहीं है बोला मेरे लिए भी एक बुकिंग कर पेमेंट तू ही बोला ना फ्लैट नहीं है तो बुकिंग करने में क्या फर्क पड़ता है ना and these are Akshar towers which are coming exactly. Why I'm saying this because density matlab area is less but due to vertical expansion population is living more. Earlier West Bengal was higher. Why West Bengal? Because agriculturally they produce more of rice and sorry to say South Indian से भी ज़्यादा rice खाने वाले वही है वही बोलता है जल खबे water हाँ water पिया करके नहीं मुझे खबे मिष्टी दोई आज आएंगे मिष्टी दोई वाले मिष्टी दोई मुझे लगा मिष्टी को कुछ धोने के लिए बात कर रहे हैं मिष्टी दोई मैं बोले दोई ये क्या मुझे स्टार्टिंग में नहीं मालूम था ना इट्स लाइक समथिंग मिष्टी दोई मतलब हाँ दोई इंग्लिश में आज अभी क्या बोलते हैं I've gone to certain places they don't understand what I am speaking I say वो कुछ बोलता है इतना मालूम and suddenly 2 glass पानी लेकर बोले पानी नहीं मांगा मैंने खाना हाँ खा यार एक कौन सा जंगल में है and मालूम पड़ा इतना बड़ा ग्लास भर के लस्सी दिया देन आई से अब चंडीगढ़ and वो अभी देखो people say it is very fat and वो पंजाब खाके बड़ा डकार लेंगे क्या हमको तो टेंशन आता है डकार में 2 इंडियन छोड़ के उधर गिरता है So we always believe India is one country which is having lot of diversity. Diversity is should distribute. People are extra level. Pune was not well developed. Now Pune is also overcrowded. I heard. Now we are getting into Nashik, Nagpur. अभी I think वो एक नया expressway खुल भी गया है. Where Uddhav Thackeray, not Uddhav Thackeray. Fadnavis was driving the car. बैठा था हाँ seriously कौन सा express है it is Mumbai to what is that Samruddhi it is from Bombay to Nashik one long stretch it's like that the traffic police catching a big vehicle and बोलता है कि जल्दी आओ
that it's
more we are definitely coming okay so let's try to go okay what are we saying done only Yo, watch is 15 minutes. अच्छा एक काम करो फिर ये सब बर्थ रेट हाँ तो लीव 4 lines for that. देखो write birth rate in the notebook. Write the death rate, age composition और population pyramid same है, composition ही लिखने का. Age composition. So only I've got my lectures with you guys. This week no lectures I hope. Cross check karna because I keep changing the timetable. Tomorrow. ठीक है. I'll see you on the next class. Thank you.